Hey everyone, Brian here from AV Consulting. Welcome to our video series on Google Tag Manager. In this series, we'll be covering everything you need to know about using Google Tag Manager to add custom codes to your website, integrate third-party apps, and much more. Whether you're an experienced web developer or just starting out, or you don't know anything about coding, we'll guide you through the process. When I first started working with Google Tag Manager, I found plenty of videos that show me how to connect Google Analytics or Google Ads conversions using Google Tag Manager. However, what I struggled to find were videos that explained the reasoning behind why certain tags, triggers, and variables were being used. So this is what we're going to do in this video. So first, let's start talking about some key concepts that underpin Google Tag Manager. First up, we have tags. What is a tag exactly? In simple terms, tags are snippets of code that execute on a web page. Every web page is made of a complex set of code, with each code snippet serving a specific purpose. For example, codes can be used to display images, create animations, or record user behavior data. In the context of marketing, we often use third-party apps to collect information about user behavior on a website or to gather user demographics. To do this, we need to install codes on the website to collect this data. However, this can present a number of challenges. We don't want to mix marketing with web development or burden web developers with the task of installing each code snippet. Additionally, changing website code can be risky and may cause the website to break down. Finally, it can be difficult to track changes made to the codes installed by the marketing team. This is where Google Tag Manager comes in. Google Tag Manager is a platform that allows marketers to manage all the code snippets installed by the marketing team in one place, without having to touch the website's code. With Google Tag Manager, you can track changes, add comments, and manage your tags more effectively. So from now on, you can consider a tag a snippet of code on your website. Next up, we have triggers. Triggers help Google Tag Manager understand when or where a tag should be executed. For example, let's say we want to add a code to our website that tracks user behavior. You will learn how to do this in the next videos. We create the code, then specify that we want this code to be executed on all the pages of our website. In this example, our trigger is all the pages of the website. In another example, let's say we want to track how many people clicked on a download link on our website. Our tag is a code snippet that counts how many times an event, such as download, has occurred on the website, and our trigger is clicking on the download link. And finally, we have variables. Think of variables as placeholders for code on the website. For example, the page URL variable refers to the URL of the page that the visitor is seeing. In the Google Tag Manager preview tool, which is a really useful tool, we're going to learn all about it in the next videos, you can see the variables used on your website. For instance, if you open a page in preview mode, you can see the event that occurred on our website, in this case, the Google Tag Manager code being executed, followed by the URL. And if you go back and click on something on the website, Google Tag Manager records our click and displays it as an event with its properties such as the click flags and the click text. So to recap, tags are snippets of code, triggers help Google Tag Manager understand when or where a tag should be executed, and variables are placeholders for code on a website. By using Google Tag Manager, you can manage all your code snippets, track changes, and add comments more effectively without having to touch the website's code. I hope this has given you a better understanding of the basic concepts of Google Tag Manager. Stay tuned for our next videos where we'll dive deeper into specific features and show you how to use Google Tag Manager in more detail. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss any of our next videos.